quando siamo andati a Bombay, ci sono quelli che fanno tutte le lampade di Kane. E fanno anche le cose grandi,
Sì.
tipo un fiore, cose così. I'm Tanita. I've spent the last 10 years being a model. The job involves being in front of the camera a lot and wearing a lot of clothes to be in character. However, when it came to my wedding dress, I really wanted a dress that represented who I am. Anish and I have been friends for over 12 years now. It's a really long time.
And finally, they told us that they were getting married. And we were really happy for both of them.
Since I grew up Catholic, I think a fascination for white dresses has always been there. I decided to wear my mother's dress, which is an heirloom piece. I felt like it represented who I am, where I come from, the love that I've grown up around. But at the same time, I think I wanted a dress that was also mine, something personal, something that I could dance in, something that I could have fun and feel like myself. So when I decided on the dress, the next big problem was where. So that's when I started looking online, and in that process, I came across The Isle on Instagram. I went through their profile and I saw that they had made different dresses, different styles, and I said, you know, this looks like my best option, why not try? And they're based in Cochin, so since I'm from Chennai, it was a bit of a leap of faith to try to do something online. And I decided to take that leap of faith with them and I said, let's try it. And that's where the journey began.
So Tanita came with a lot of interesting ideas and references, and one thing that she generally told was she'll be doing a lot of dancing, so the gown had to support that. Since Tanita's was a complete online customization process, the measurements also was done online. So during the measurements, we guided her through each step so that there was no confusion. And one thing that she was particular about was the color. So we sent her a couple of swatches.
So after selecting the swatches and giving a go-ahead on the fabric, the team got back to me with the final sketch. I gave them the go-ahead and was just excited to see what the final gown was going to be like. One week before the wedding, the dress arrived, and I don't think everyone around you really understands how you're feeling because you want it to be perfect. And I opened up the box and it was perfect. I just had to jump into it because now it looked perfect, but I was like, is this gonna fit me? Is it gonna be like perfect? And it fit me like a glove. Everyone was in shock because of the fact of doing it all online and having a dress that fits you like a glove and getting exactly what you wanted. It was beyond my expectations. It was incredible. There is nothing that I would want to change. It was the wedding of my dreams. I'm not going to lie. I've spent most of my life dreaming about my wedding and it being perfect, and it checked every single box.